everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. Happy weekend everyone. So guys, on this video we are just going to be in a very quick video. I am going to be unboxing my digital spoon. Yes, so this spoon was brought out in Lady a few days ago, so I decided to pick it because of my teenage daughter who love baking. Yes, so I'm going to be opening it for you guys to see for fun. Yeah, let's just dive into the video. If you know today is the first time of you coming across my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and also share, and the good Lord will bless you. So this is how it looks. It's a silver crest kitchen tools digital spoon for precise measurements and small amount up to 300 grams. So this is how the package looks. So what we are going to do now is just to open the package. So I'm just going to remove the let me cut it off. Okay, with battery. Yeah. Okay. So this is how the spoon looks in there, and over here is the battery, and this is the digital manual. So it's going to make it easier for her to bake because she loves to bake. So this is one spoon over here. If you can see very close, 50 ml is equals to 1 tablespoon. So this is 2 cups, 2 tablespoons here, and 3 tablespoons is 45 ml. So I'm just going to put the battery over here. Yeah, this is the place of the battery. This is it. It's already on. This is how it looks. So I think I'm going to on it over here. Let's see where we can on it. This is hold on. Okay, this is on. If you guys are seeing it, so it's already on. Yeah. Yeah, that is it for this video, guys.